Hello, today I'm thinking of using some lovely strawberries. They're currently in season in the UK, and when strawberries in season here, they're so much better than the rest of the year. Like they sell them all year round now, pretty much. But yeah, at the moment they are fantastic, and if you leave them out in your kitchen and let them get up to room temperature, they're really, I don't think they can be beaten, especially on a nice sunny day. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to try and make a sort of eat a mess type thing. So I'm going to make some meringue, I'm going to make a strawberry coulis, I'm going to make a fresh strawberry ice cream, and then I'm going to combine it with the fresh strawberries and make a sort of strawberry eat a mess sundae. So we'll give that a go. Right, so the first step is to make like a strawberry puree out of all of these strawberries. So I'm going to pour all of them into my little puree juicer, sort of smoothie maker. This is like the easiest ice cream in the world, I think, this recipe. So all I'm going to do is get granulated sugar. I'm going to chuck some milk in with it. And I'm going to put in a little grind of salt. And I'm going to blend that up till the sugar dissolves. And then I'm going to add in my cream, which I've got quite a lot of, 1.5 cups of double cream. Delicious. And I'm going to put in a bit of my vanilla bean paste again. So do a good spoon of that. I'm going to stir that all up. I'm going to stir in the strawberries. So here's my strawberry cream sugar milk mix. That's going to go in the fridge and sit for 2 hours. Right, I'm going to make meringues. Okay, so I'm going to whisk my egg whites. Right, so basically what we're looking for is that to stand, is that when you tip up the thing, I want it to stand up on the end. So if you dip it in and turn it over, ooh, give it a little wibble, and you want that bit to stand up. That's stiff peaks, that's what you want. Not twin peaks, stiff peaks. Then I'm going to slowly integrate in my caster sugar, 1 spoon at a time. So, scatter 1 spoon in, turn up the speed a bit, whisk that in. Another spoon in. That consistency where it kind of stands up a little bit like that. Soft peaks. So that's ready, and it's really nice and glossy. If that comes out on camera, but it's nice and glossy. Meringues cook on an incredibly low heat, and I've set this not to fan. If you can not use the fan, that's better. I've set it to 110, which is very low, and I've lined a baking parchment. Okay, so meringues, pop them in the oven. And we're going to cook those for about an hour and a half, probably about, maybe longer. We'll have a look after an hour and see how they're getting on, but they take a long time. So next step, I'm going to make a coulis. So I'm going to hull these strawberries, get them in the saucepan, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of water, and I'm going to cook them down, add some vanilla, and then puree it, and that'll be it, hopefully. I'm just going to give it a bit, wing it and give it a go, see what it comes out like. Right, they're nice and soft, the strawberries. It's been a good few minutes. Just gonna let them cool down and then we'll blitz it all up and that will be the coulis hopefully done. A little bit of vanilla in here. And hopefully get the right consistency. If not, I can reduce it down a bit. Oh, it tastes amazing. Right, so my meringues have been in the oven for like over an hour and a half now. And they have bled sugar a tiny bit, as you can see. They look lovely and white. And I'm just gonna pop them over here and check them. Here you see, that shouldn't really happen where it's bled sugar, but they're gonna be smashed up and put in an ice cream, so I'm not going for fine dining here. So nice and hollow. I'll let them cool. And these are going to be smashed up and put into a sort of Eton mess sundae. Nice. Okay, I'm going to get my ice cream mixture, strawberry ice cream mixture, into the ice cream machine. And it's very simple, so hopefully this is going to work. But this has been chilling for 2 hours. It definitely thickened up. Just pour it in here. So it's had 35 minutes in total, and it's finally started to properly thicken up now, and looks like a soft ice cream, so I think it's getting near to being churned enough to go into the freezer and properly set up. So I'm going to put my delicious chopped strawberries in there, I think now, and see how that goes. So I'll do that in while we're churning. Oh. Right, so I'm just going to use my grubby mitts. And not grubby, obviously. Oh, look at that. Plenty of strawberry ice cream. Okay, so it's my sundae. This is actually going to be for everyone, but for the purposes of the video, I'll have first try. I might just take the mint off. As nice as it looks, the garnish. And I'm going to try and get a little bit of ice cream, coulis, strawberry and meringue. Really good. Right, everybody else should have some now.